My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is associated with the website E-tac.xyz. E-tac.xyz is a website that displays misleading messages and scary alerts that try to encourage visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up E-tac.xyz may display many other faulty statements, mentioning that your computer is horribly infected with some serious threats, and also mentioning that you need to do something to get rid of these threats. But the point is that all this information displayed by E-tac.xyz is totally faulty and very deceptive. You should not trust these misleading pop-ups, and you should not interact with them. First thing you should do is to carefully check the control panel of your computer. Sometimes the adware causing these ads could be the part of your computer, so you should research the control panel. If you find any suspicious programs on the list, make sure you get rid of them, uninstall them. I also recommend you to additionally investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the application's installer, install the software, and start researching your device in order to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.